Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Node.js and also install Git. First we need to also install Node.js in Windows. So this is needed as in our Windows operating system, so we can run JavaScript uh, app, in this case web map from Mapbox and other JavaScript that we need, application that we need. So yeah, just download this and then we can have later, we can install later. Yeah, it's pretty quick, but here is the something like instructions, installations, and you can just say yes, next, next. Quality script, maybe not now, and just install. So we are installing right now, and then okay, we can just finish and then test. Let's go to test the Node.js. Let's go maybe with terminal. Can not. All right, it's installed. Now we are going to go with the GitHub. Click GitHub setup. Okay, but in this case we are going to go with this. Here is the link. This is the example. Just close this. So after downloading, we are going to have the Git for Windows, and we can install Git. Okay, this one I add Git best profile in Windows Terminal since we are going to use Terminal as well. Theme. Okay, I like theme. All right, this bundle open SSH. Okay, just say yes. Okay. Now close terminal again. We already installed Node.js versions 18, and we will try to use Git. Okay, it's finished. Let's go with terminal. Again, Git clone. Okay, it's working with this Git terminal command in the Windows terminal. So we can use like in Linux. We can say git clone something without downloading manually from our repository GitHub. Yes. So we are going to like SSH, I think. I choose an SSH. Let's go with HTTPS. Okay, installing, it's cloning. Okay, I think there's some problem with the what is this name with using SSH, because now we're using HTTPS is working. Now we are going to go inside the directory. So we are not pulling the GitHub from a specific commit yet, but yeah, let's try to run the web app or install the applications inside from GitHub by doing npm install. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Now try to run the app. Let's see if that works or not. Just allow access because we're going to use localhost anyway. And it say that it's compiled NextJS in here, localhost 33,000. Click on this. I suspect that it's going to go to the user abort request. I think because we're not using the wait a second, maybe it's H. Yeah, it's because of the hyperlink from terminal. It's not working. I'm not sure why. It's still with the setting, I think, with the terminal, but it's working. You can run the Node.js app in Windows, guys. Yeah, so I will finish the video and then later I will explain how to commit after I maybe do some another videos explanations. So yeah, that's how we can install the Node.js in Windows, guys. So thank you.